This is the elevator to the Winter Company's offices in Sharon, Pennsylvania. The actual store's over there. There's this like back tiny elevator. It looks like a Westinghouse Schindler. Here it comes down. Here it is. So it's supposed to be something maybe like a down button. Four is locked. And it's 3. Here we go. Here 3. Back to 1 over. Yeah, this is actually the store. I thought there would be something cooler and older, but I don't know. Car 3, there's definitely other stuff in here. This is a pretty big building. I'm not going to bother opening that. It's a basic cab. Westinghouse Schindler cab. I don't know what year this was installed. It looks kind of more Westinghouse, but again, I'm not 100% sure. I got 1. 1 R.